everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question from fractions, decimals and percentages. As you can see, this is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given the information that a box of 20 cigars costs $30 while each cigar if brought individually costs $2 each. Next, we are given two quantities A and B such that quantity A is the percentage of money saved when a box of cigars is purchased instead of 20 individual cigars. However, quantity B is a fixed number 33 1 by 3. Next, we need to determine if A is greater than B, that is option 1, or if B is greater than A, that is option 2, or if A and B are equal, that is option 3, or if the relationship between A and B cannot be determined from the given information, that is option 4. Before we move on to the solution, I would request all of you to pause this video and try solving the question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, please do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Now, before we go on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 2, that is B greater than A. So how did we arrive at this answer? Now, in this question, we see that a box of 20 costs $30, while if purchased individually, the 20 cigarettes would cost a person $40. Hence, the amount of money saved on purchasing a box rather than individual 20 cigars will obviously be $10. Now, we need to calculate the percentage of amount saved, and hence this will be equal to 10 by 40 into 100. That is the difference by the original amount into 100. Now, why did we choose the original amount as 40 and not 30? Is because we have to calculate the amount of percentage saved, and hence the bigger amount will be the original amount. So this will be equal to 25%. Now, as we see, quantity A is a percentage saved, and hence it will be equal to 25, while quantity B is already given to us as 33 1 by 3, and hence it is quite clear that B is always greater, and hence the correct answer is option 2. Now, in case you couldn't follow the solution, please pause the video at this instant and go through the typed solution. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back with more videos. Keep studying hard. Thank you and all the best.